President Donald Trump calls his cabinet together for a review of the administration's first 100 days in office. China, the economy, public safety, and military recruitment were among the key topics. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Good evening. The cabinet meeting lasted a couple of hours, broadcast live for all to see. The president went around the room asking his secretaries for a summary.
President Donald Trump tells his cabinet China is getting absolutely hammered by tariffs.
I know that China is doing very poorly right now. I just saw some reports coming out, and I don't want that to happen to China. I like the president a lot, President Xi. I don't want it to happen.
And the president says Chinese ships are doing a big U-turn and going back.
They're sending boats, the biggest boats in the world, carrying cargo like nobody's ever seen before. These are the biggest boats in the world, biggest cargo ships in the world, and they're coming and they're turning around in the Pacific Ocean.
The president's comments come as a report shows the U.S. economy may have shrunk at the start of the year. A few seats over, meanwhile, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick tells his boss,
"You've never seen anything like the companies committed to building in America. Technology companies have committed over $2.5 trillion to build in America based on your tariffs."
As the president went around the table, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent added,
"It's been a momentous 100 days with you at the helm, and I view this 100 days as setting the table for peace deals, trade deals, tax deals."
And he said American families are finding their financial footing again.
Energy costs have plummeted, mortgage rates are down, food costs are moving lower.
Vice President J.D. Vance also weighed in, talking military numbers.
But the most underreported fact of the first 100 days is that we came in with a massive recruitment shortfall. And in 100 days of Secretary Hegseth and President Trump's leadership, we now have people breaking down the doors to join our military.
And when it got around to Attorney General Pam Bondi,
we are going after terrorism, we are going after arsonists. Whether you're burning Teslas, we've arrested 9 people so far in 7 jurisdictions, no negotiations, 20 years in prison, or you're burning down the governor's mansion in Pennsylvania. We will be there to protect you.
The education secretary drew laughter when she said this.
I don't think I have ever worked so hard to try to fire myself.
And before allowing reporters to ask questions, the president wrapped it up.
I just want to thank everybody. This is really very impressive, and I hope the people at home got to see some of it. Nobody's ever done public cabinet meetings.
On the economy, another report showed inflation slowing in the month of March, but Democrats warn the president is dragging the country towards a recession and shrinking the economy. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.